Valentine's Day is often seen as a time for intimate dinners, but what if we told you there's another way to make it special? In today's video, we'll show you how to host a fun and interactive Valentine's Day party that brings people together for a memorable and festive experience. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, we focus on making every celebration extra special with creativity, joy, and a touch of love. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you'd like more Valentine's Day party ideas. Let's dive in and explore how you can turn your Valentine's Day into an unforgettable celebration with friends and loved ones. First things first, plan your party theme. Creating a cohesive theme for your Valentine's Day party sets the tone for the entire event. You can go for the traditional romantic setting with heart-shaped decorations and soft lighting, or get creative with a quirky Valentine's theme focused on friendship. Whichever route you choose, make sure it's reflective of your guest list and the atmosphere you want to create. Second, invitations, party setup, and setting the mood. Whether you're sending out digital invites or handwritten cards, make sure the invitations are personalized. If you're going for a DIY touch, create unique invites like personalized love notes or fun quiz-style cards to get everyone excited. These personal touches will set the stage for a memorable event. Next, when it comes to setting up your space, focus on creating cozy and intimate vibes. Think fairy lights, candles, and floral arrangements to add to the ambience. To enhance the experience, consider creating a focal point like a photo booth with Valentine's props, or set up a memory lane corner where guests can leave fun messages or photos. These elements will make your space feel warm and inviting. Of course, no party is complete without music, and the right playlist can truly set the tone for your Valentine's Day party. Whether you go for classic love songs, upbeat pop hits, or instrumental music to keep things cozy, make sure your playlist is fun and reflects the vibe of your gathering. To complement the music, use lighting to create an intimate atmosphere. Use dim lights or string lights, and maybe even light a few candles for that perfect romantic feel. Together, these details will ensure your party is a hit. Third, the menu, food, drinks, and sweet treats. A memorable Valentine's Day party needs a menu that impresses. For food, think about light bites that are easy to eat while socializing, like heart-shaped pizzas, cute appetizers, or fondue platters where everyone can dip into something delicious together. These options will keep the atmosphere lively and interactive. Equally important are the drinks. You can set up a Cupid's cocktail bar with fun-themed drinks like pink margaritas, sparkling wine, or even a DIY cocktail station where guests can mix their own drinks. Additionally, don't forget some non-alcoholic options like sparkling water or fruity mocktails for guests who prefer them. This ensures everyone has something delightful to sip on. To end your evening on a sweet note, offer plenty of dessert options. A chocolate fountain is always a crowd pleaser, or you can go with homemade heart-shaped cookies and cupcakes. Alternatively, you can offer a selection of romantic-themed chocolates, maybe with a little note about how they symbolize love. These sweet treats will provide a perfect conclusion to your celebration. Fourth, interactive activities to keep guests engaged. Valentine's Day isn't just about eating and drinking. It's about creating fun and lasting memories. Set up an interactive crafting station where guests can design their own Valentine's cards or even make custom friendship bracelets. This activity can be a fun icebreaker for everyone. Another great idea? Create a build your own cupcake station with a variety of toppings like sprinkles, frosting, and candies. It's a deliciously interactive way to engage guests in some creative fun. Or why not hold a DIY love poem contest? Challenge your guests to come up with their best rhyming lines and give a prize to the most romantic or funniest poem. Fifth, party favors for the guests. Send your guests home with a little something to remember the night by. Small gifts like personalized mini bottles of wine, homemade cookies, or even a cute plant can be a great way to end the evening. If you're feeling extra creative, make cute DIY Valentine's Day favors like heart-shaped soaps or small bags of candy. 6. Wrapping up the event. As the night winds down, make sure everyone has a great time to remember. You can have a small moment where everyone shares their favorite part of the evening, or even create a video booth where people leave silly or heartfelt messages. Finally, keep the love going. Valentine's Day isn't just about the party. It's about celebrating love in all its forms. So keep those warm feelings going long after the party ends. Whether through handwritten thank you cards, sending out photos from the night, or keeping in touch with guests, show your appreciation and love for those who joined in the fun. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your own Valentine's Day ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have the most fabulous Valentine's Day celebration yet. This is Kitchen to Entertain, your ultimate guide to a memorable Valentine's Day. Happy hosting!